right, so next stop is Madrid, Spain for the Beardburys Gas Monkey collaboration in the hair care products line. We built them a bitchin' 67 Mustang Fastback. We're gonna unveil it over there. It's been on a boat for the last 30 days, and I am super excited. I've never been to Madrid, so it should be fun. Honey, you should probably get your luggage. I got mine. So we got into Spain, it was raining, it messed up my hair, but Beardburys sent out probably the top guy in all of Spain to come do my hair. I think he did a pretty good job. Now we're gonna go down to a place called Orbit Garage. It's supposed to be like this car fantasy factory crazy dome. I don't know what it's all about, but we're gonna go there and have some interviews and do some stuff. And then we're gonna go check out Spain, maybe find some good Spanish food, because I'm hungry. There we go, boom. Right on.
Thank you so much.
Cool, man. Thank you. Yes?
Thank you so much.
Excellent.
Gas Monkey! Woo! Woo!
So tonight's the big deal at Orbit Garage, which is where we're at. I'm coming to get a layout of the land, talk to some reporters, do a few interviews, and then we're gonna go back to the hotel, hopefully get some cold beers, and then be back here for a big thing tonight. Wait till you see this. That's how we do it, interview after interview. But this is a Class A act right here. These guys are really putting on a good week of entertainment, a good week of launching the product. I couldn't be happier to be a partner with Beardburys, and you know, the product is absolutely killer over here. You guys are gonna get to see it a little later in the video, but it's rad. We're fixing to go grab some lunch, change our clothes, get looking good, because this is gonna be a party tonight. So now, before our party at the Orbit Garage, we're going to meet a big comedian, Miguel. Just Miguel?
I think so.
I don't know. Sometimes when I get excited in another country, I start speaking with their accents. This is crazy. So I'm pretty fired up here. We're at number 62. I think that has some significance. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, no.
Or you are the presidenta?
Well, no, because then I get the bill.
Hey, baby, will you put these in your little purse? Never mind, I'm gonna slide them in my jacket here. So when we order a vodka soda here, when you pour it, because you bring the bottle to the table and you just pour it, do you measure it like with your eye and like single, double, triple?
No.
Just pour it in?
Yeah.
Oh, I like it, the Spain.
Are you moving here?
Only if you come with me.
Oh.
Moving to Spain.
Moving to Spain.
That's crazy.
This is Spain.
Oh, but it's really fun. Uh-oh.
Gran fan.
See, he loves it.
Really? Look at you stopping.
Oh, go.
Hey, wait a second. muscular jacket collaboration. Beardburys times gas monkey. Woo! What? Get you some of that. Let's go party. Which way are we going? I really don't know where. So, hey, I think I'm on the list. Am I on the list? I want to come in. Am I on the list?
I think so.
I hear this is good. I get to come? Am I on the list? Are you sure? Because I'm usually not on the list. Usually they don't want me in places like this. Oh, there it is. Hey. Yes. Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you. Whoa, I got in. It's like I'm special. What? Catch up with the most beautiful lady in all the room.
Oh my goodness.
What? Excellent. First things first.
Hi, Richard.
How you doing? You look very nice.
Oh, thank you.
I like that shirt. Look at this guy's shirt. What? How we doing, man? This is very nice. Here. What?
He's your biggest fan.
No, he's my biggest fan. What's up, my man?
¿Qué tal, compañero?
Yeah.
My English is very bad, sorry.
My Spanish is shitty. It's very bad,
Bueno, no problem.
but no problem.
My friend Sarah speak English very well.
Excellent. Excellent. I saw your TikTok. It was very good.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. You guys do really well on the old TikTok stuff, and you're doing this training academy.
Yes, Training
Yes.
Dates Academy, Ángel Gaitán.
I can't teach the kids in America anything. They don't listen.
A ver, traducirme.
Los niños en Estados Unidos no ven nada, no escuchan nada.
But if you want to come to Dallas anytime, you be my guest.
Que cuando quieras ir a Dallas, que...
Iremos, Richard. Thank you. Well done. Thank you.
Back out.
Bienvenidos a
What's up? ¿Qué pasó?
Welcome to Spain, Richard.
I love Spain.
Como no quiero...
How do you feel? How are the first things you have in mind when you hear this?
When Juan Joe told us that he wanted a black 67 Mustang, I was like, holy cow, you know, those are very rare. They just didn't make a bunch of them. And for me to be able to find a black on black with a 4-speed 390 S-Code, you know, fully built car, I was very amazed. And then when we went through the building process, from the front to the back, we rebuilt every bolt, every nut, the motor, the transmission, the rear end, the four-wheel disc brakes. I was just excited. As a matter of fact, you know, I buy and sell cars for a living. This is what I do. I make cars for a living and sell them. This is one car I would actually like to have kept. Get you some of that.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Me hizo mucha ilusión.
He's so excited because when he texted that you texted him,
Yes.
Dile que yo de mayor quiero ser como él.
if you are to be more older, he would be like you.
You're probably doing better than me. Look at all these matching jackets. What do we have?
Chocolate for you.
Chocolate.
Chocolate, chocolate.
With my face on it. Look at that.
You like?
I never knew if I wanted to eat myself, but maybe today's the day. this one. Excellent. Thank you. But you are doing very well. You're training the young kids to work on the cars. You're running a training academy.
Training Tech Academy.
That is awesome. That's what we need. I wish I had time to do things like that. But you know, we have to get the young guys interested in the cars, and you're doing a great job. Thank you.
Tenemos. Ok. Hola, compañeros.
Hola, compañeros.
Hey, ok. Hola, compañeros.
Hola, compañeros.
Ok. Acércate para que se escuche. 1, 2, 3.
Hola, compañeros.
Hola, compañeros. Estamos aquí con Richard Rawlings, el número 1 de Gas Monkey. Ya veis que se ha puesto nuestra chaqueta, me hace mucha ilusión. Quiero que todos vengáis al evento, al SCAMP Festival, este sábado, a conocerle y a ver todo lo que está montando aquí Beardburys, ¿no?
Yes.
Beardburys.
Beardburys. Yeah! Get some of that. Woo!
Thank you, Richard.
So we're fixing to fire up the car here in the garage. It's pretty close space, so it should sound pretty cool, and people are dying to hear it because at the end of the day, you don't get a lot of cars imported into Spain. So I'm pretty impressed with this car. I'm pretty excited about my Beardburys connection, and let's see what it sounds like. Come on, go. Freaking really cool, considering you guys can't have cars like this very often in Spain. It's really cool. How many 67 Mustangs do you think are in Spain?
Around 5, because I sold all of them. Like
Richard, gas. Ahí lo tenéis, compañeros. Beardburys.
There we go. All right. Excellent. If there hadn't been so many people here, I'd have done a donut. Get you some of that. Unbelievable. We just announced our Beardburys campaign. We unveiled the 67 S-Code 390 4-speed black on black Mustang that we built in America and shipped over here, which is a very difficult process. I'm super excited about tomorrow because we are going to be able to show the world how badass the SCAMP Festival is going to be, plus what's going on with Beardburys and Gas Monkey. We're talking hair products, beard products, all kinds of things that are going along. This is going to be revolutionary. Yeah! Star Wars ain't got shit on this. Luke Skywalker.